The next item we're going to look at today is the sphere that we're going to find the density for. Now, I've already placed it on the triple beam balance, and your job is going to be to record its mass. Okay, again, the 100s are in the middle, the tens of grams are in the back, and the whole grams and tenths of grams are in the front. So please pause it, measure write down the measurement in the appropriate spot on your paper. Now we're going to take a measurement to help us find the volume. Now, unlike a cube or rectangular object, a sphere does not have a length, width, and height. But we can find the volume by using volume of a sphere equals 4/3 times pi, which is 3.14, times the radius cubed. The radius cubed is just the radius times itself 3 times. So radius times radius times radius is radius cubed. Now, how are we going to get the radius? Well, in order to get the radius from the center of the sphere to the edge, we must measure the diameter from one side through the center all the way to the other side. Now, a lot of people think that you can use a ruler to do this. Here's the problem. Where exactly is the diameter? Yikes. All right, how do you know you're putting it right on the diameter? That's why we don't use a ruler for diameter. We use a device called a caliper. Now, we haven't talked about how to measure with a caliper, but that's okay. I'll help you with that. So what you do is you simply fit it to the widest part so that it passes through easily, but yet touches both sides. Where it touches both sides, that's the diameter. So I have it measuring the diameter right now. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to focus in a little. We're measuring the outside from 0 to 30. Looks like 38. I'll also zoom in a little bit more. Looks like 38. And let's see. It doesn't look like any of those little hash marks line up. Ooh, maybe that one right there, or not that one. Okay, I don't think it's 38. I think it's 37.9 millimeters. Now, whoops, wait a minute. We can't use millimeters. We need it in centimeters. So if we have 37.9 millimeters, we need to move the decimal one place back to the left, and that would make it 3.79 centimeters. Sorry, 3.79 centimeters. That's the diameter. Write it down on your paper. Half of that will be the radius that we need to find the volume of our sphere. Okay, you can finish part B now and then proceed to the last part, part C.